Hi everybody, it's Jay, and today I'm gonna show you how I'm building my new BJD MSD diorama. So I did make like a prototype out of cardboard, but I then decided that it wasn't really what I wanted. I wanted it to be a little bit sturdier, so I bought two pieces of a material called Fix. It's much thicker than cardboard and definitely will hold like all the furniture and stuff much better. So I'm pretty happy with it. And you can see my cat in the back sometimes. Don't mind that. So yeah, I have three pieces: the floor piece, the back wall piece, and I also have one wall on the right. And the wall on the right is gonna be with a little window I decided afterwards. And here you can just see me cutting everything to size. I'm not a professional. I'm not doing this professionally at all. So yeah, this is all just like me figuring this stuff out in front of the camera. But it did work out, and I'm very happy with the result. I will put the measurements of the diorama down below, but since it's an MSD diorama, it should at least be something like 50 centimeters high, and yeah, the rest, it's really up to you depending on how big or small you want this to be. But yeah, the height just needs to be at least, I mean, it can also be like 45 if you want it to be not super high. But yeah, it definitely should be higher than 40 centimeters, since most MSDs are 40 centimeters tall, and it would just look weird if it just stopped at their head or something, or like even before that. So yeah, I'm also cutting a window into the side wall. I also ended up sanding that a little bit. I wanted a wood texture for the floor, so I bought some of these adhesive wood prints from Amazon, and I just glued those onto the floor part. I actually fucked up a little bit with one of them, but I did sort of try to fix it. It did work out, not entirely perfect, but since there's gonna be furniture on top of it, I don't really care. But yeah, you will see me struggling with this piece, like the last piece. So different angle, because I realized that my hot glue gun wasn't close enough. So yeah, I also had to sit this like a weird angle because I didn't have an outlet close enough otherwise. So it's basically just 4 pieces as the window frame and one more going like a little bit more up than the middle in between to make it look like a window and stuff. So now I'm using some hot glue to glue all of the pieces together. First I'm going to attach the floor with the back wall. Yeah, and I'm just using another like scrap piece to smooth out all of the glue, and that really helped. And then I'm going to also attach the side wall. I'm going to show how I decorate this in a future video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye, love you!